How to view story on Instagram without them knowing. Hey everybody, in this video, I will show you how to view story on Instagram without them knowing. To start, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. Once you are now on your Instagram, this time, look for any profile over at Instagram wherein you want to view their story. For example, this one. Select the three dots on the upper right. Then in here on the pop-up, select Copy Profile URL. Now close your Instagram. Then open your internet browser. On your internet browser, you're going to be search for Insta Story Viewer. Then in here, select the link that says Insta Navigation or Insta Stories.watch. Once you are now here, you are just going to be pasting their copy URL link or their username. Then hit on search. Then in here, you can select their profile on the search results. Then you should be able to view their stories. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you get some value in this one. So please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.